welcome back. All right, welcome back to another analysis. So today I will be talking about this new week we're getting into. So I'll be talking about um the entries, or I'll be talking about Euro USD and GP USD and gold. I'll be talking about the pairs we'll be looking at this week. I'll be talking about the breakdowns and the protection targets and every details as best as I can. So and if you are looking forward to join us in the channel, all right, so the link will be in the description wherever this is posted. So if you are looking forward to get to join us getting into the trades and entries, so you can just click into the description and join us. All right, so let's just start right away. So right here we have the Euro USD, and first thing you can very notice this daily time frame. All right, so the first thing you can notice quite is that this is a bearish market from the daily perspective. So if you check the daily, you can see that we are on the constant low. This is a low right here, another right here, another high higher lows right here, low. So we're getting bearish moves. All right, so one of the significant things that happened last week during the NFP is that the Euro USD also got to the lowest point it got to in this year. So if you check the whole year, this is the lowest point the price goes to. So this is the new year low. All right, so let's deep dive into the 4 hour time frame. But before that, I would like to point out some zones. Just you can see that when the price got to this side, is respected this trend line, and again there was a price action forming up right here, and you can see the stick daily candle as a rejection. All right, so since then we've been going bearish. All right, so going now to the 4 hour time frame, giving into more details. I'm going to do the breakdown on how you can get in from the longer term view and the short term view. All right, so if you are looking to get into this market, I'll probably say you're looking for a short position, you're looking to short the market, but that is the longer time view. All right, so when you're looking at it from the long term, you're looking for shorts. All right, so let me just describe what will give me the revalidation or the reconfirmation for a short in this market. So for the long term short, this is what I'll be looking for. All right, just stay with me a little while. All right, let me go back to daily time frame and check some things. Okay, so right here you can see that this is the resistance right here. This is where the price tested, but we have this break right here, and this is the lowest point the price got in this here. So right now we're seeing reversal, we're seeing some kind of a reversal, you know, going back, rejecting this price. So now to confirm for a sell, I will really need the price to break this resistance back. All right, so this is the first time it's breaking it, right? So I would like for you to break it back and find some kind of a price rejection or retest right here before I can look for a sell entry. All right, so that will be just a very simple thing I'll be looking if I want to get into the long-term sell. Right now, if you want to think about selling this in for a swing trade in the longer term perspective. So going back to the 4 hour time frame, you can see we have this long bullish candle indicating rejection right here. And if you check what really happened, this that on Friday, the British Bank or the Pound Bank released some news, and it really affected the forex market, as you can see. So we had this you know, if you check on the daily candle, it was a week. All right, so you can see this engulfing that really covered the bearish seller at this point. So if you're looking for a long entry, I said two things I'll be looking for. All right, so there is a level right here. I can see quite well, but I would like to delete this. I just want to point out how it has been really respected. So if you get the first test right here, we got second and multiple tests. It has been tested multiple times. But if we go back into the 2 hour time frame, since we're looking for intraday, we're looking for the long time swing. All right, so we're looking for the long time swing. So the first long term entry, if you're looking for bullish entry, is this. All right, so the price test is this first this right here, and this at this point the second time, and this will be the third time. All right, so just give me a second. All right, give me a second. So we have this level right here, this zone right here, where the price keep rejecting. So we've never so the first time it breaks out of this zone was at 28th of October, right? And since then the price hasn't moved or get out of this zone again. All right, so the first time, if you check the previous week, that was in October, in the last week of October, we took a bullish trade right here, where and at this point, let me indicate that. I just leave right here. Yes, we took a bullish trade, thinking the TP1 was right here. So I was predicting at the time that the price will be able to break out of this, but when we started seeing rejections like this, we know the institution are not getting involved in this, and as you can see, it was the market really went bearish and went crazy last week. So just to call the story long story short, so if you're looking for a long entry right now, this is what I would do. So you have this resistance right here, the mini resistance, and another trend line, right, on the 4 hour time frame, right? So if I could get a break out of this, you can see, if I could get a break out of this, I might be looking for some sort of a long entry right here. All right, so I'll be putting the TP this side, and my TP1 will be right here, which is the previous place we got in, and the previous place we put our first take profit. All right, so the first take profit will be right here, or you can set it according to your own risk to reward. I don't know how you plan to trade, but I'm just saying, if you're looking for long entries, this is what I might be looking at in Euro USD. So just to cut the long story short, and to give more clarifications, if you're looking into daily swing, you're looking to trade from the daily time frame, you're looking to the long Euro USD, you might be waiting for it to break this first trend line, all right, and then break the second trend line, and then you might have a very long time bullish trend that is just going to continue up. But as for now, if you're looking for intraday trading, which is what we literally do, we trade intraday trades into you know, smaller time frames, low as 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, and 50 minutes time frame. So if you're looking right now, I'm looking for a breakout out of this trend. You can see this trend line. I'm looking for a breakout, all right, and once I get a break, I'll be looking for you to get into the next resistance, and this and this. So but first we need a break out of this, or the market can just continue bullish and bearish, sorry, just as there's continue. You know, we have this lower low, lower highs, lower low. We might be expecting lower high. There's a lower high. We might be expecting new lower lows, and you know, guess what, we're just going to break this daily support right here. If we can break this daily support right here, if the market should go bearish and break this daily support, then we're looking for long time sell. We're looking into selling for a long period of time. And I would really love if the market could do this for Euro USD. I would really love that, could just get down right here and continue selling. All right, so that's for the long for Euro USD. I think you guys understands, and I think you've gained something. So let's just do a little bit summary. All right, we're looking into. All right, so the first thing you have to know is that the Euro USD has gotten to the lowest point of the year, significating that there will be more bearish. All right, the price is bearish. All right, so looking into the 4-hour time frame, I think you guys have understand again that we're looking for if we're looking for long entries, if the market price should break this side, right, should break this triangle. If we get a break out of this right here, right, look for a retest. Right, we might be planning our long entry right on the 4-hour time frame. Right, our entry might be in the 30 minutes or in the 1-hour time frame. Whatever it is, if you want to know the exact entry, you know what to do. Just click the link in the description. So that'll be it for Euro USD. I hope you guys love it, and I'll see you in the next one. I'll be doing an another breakdown for GPUSD and gold and GPGPY. So stay tuned, and thank you.